Hey everyone, welcome back. It has been a number of months since I've done my last video. I don't even know when I did that last one. And as you can tell, I've done a little bit of growing of the goatee. This is, I think I was trying to calculate this. I don't recall when the last time I trimmed this part was. Anywhere between 4 to 6 months worth of growth right here. But it is time for it to come off. And I had a really good shave with this last night, so I don't really need to go against the grain. Like, I'm feeling with the grain and I barely feel anything, so I might do a 2-pass shave on that. But this is the main attraction. You're getting this gone. Now I could just trim it and all that, but because the lines, because this is so long, it's hard to see the lines under here, and I don't think it's back far enough. And anyway, I'm just shave it all off. So the gear for this evening's shave is going to be Doppleganger, tricolor. This is Irisch Moos, one of my absolute favorite scents. It's beautiful. I wish PA would bring this back. I was gonna get the Irisch Moos soap that they had, but I'll settle for the aftershave. The brush, because I'm going with a German themed soap made by a German company, and the splash, why not go with my Fernweh from Craving shaving. The razor is not German or German inspired, but it's going to go with the Feather SS. Not even sure what blade is in here. Looks like that is a Pro Guard. Not sure Moos is on it, but I have everything ready to go. So we're going to get this wet. Oh yeah. I haven't shaved this in close to a year. So, technique is going to be a little off. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of redness involved. Whether it's irritation or liquid, we'll see. I've never had hair this long before, so I don't know how it's going to be shaving off. People would say, why don't you trim it first? What's the fun of that? Mixture of hair and soap. So I don't need that quite yet. I think the lad is a little thin. I had a little bit too much water to begin with and didn't stir it enough or agitate it enough. But that's all right. We'll just go with it. All right, so I gotta remember how to do this with the commissary. I haven't done this forever. So here we go. And I do have a garbage sack, or a sack right here so I can put the hair into, because some of the ones going down the sink. There we go. Nicely passing the Ewan test. Oh yeah. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Shoot. Trying to avoid getting on the counter. This is just so weird. Pardon the mostly silence. All right, that's not attached. That one is. I'm trying to keep this from all going down the drain, but see if I got that. I don't know if it's still working or not. So we recently, part of the reason this is coming off is I've had this for months, as I mentioned, and we've done a lot of camping lately. And hair this long when you're camping gets really encrusted with dirt, and it's not fun to clean. I like that sound. I've missed that sound. Just kind of taking off massive amounts of hair. There we go. Last little bit hanging on. It's hanging on for your life. Have a reverse unicorn. There we go. First pass done. Ish. I can't see in the mirror because I don't have my glasses on, but I can see there's tufts of hair still on the face. So let's see if we can get that for the first pass a little cleaner. Most of the stuff under the nose. And corners of the mouth. I always have a hard time with that every time I shave that off. We'll get that in subsequent passes. All right. So now, again, I'm just going to go kind of cross grain, pardon the running water, just a cross grain on the goatee, and I'll do the whole against the grain with the whole face. All right, cross the grain. There. Got most of that. Cool. Corners of the mouth are feeling good. Okay, now let's go against the grain, full face. And just like that, I look a lot younger. And if you haven't watched the channel for a while, when I've been clean shaven on my upper lip, I don't go against the grain up there just because it's, I don't really need to. I go against the grain on that and I'm good. All right, now. Against the grain. Couple little straggler hairs here and there. Can't tell if they're attached or if it's just because they're on the face somewhere. Not horrible. But last night I should have used the Blackbird and a Gillette Silver Blue. I had a couple days of growth, and that just took everything down really nicely. To the point where it is a little over 24 hours later and there's still barely any stubble. All right. Very nice. Don't want to get too close because that will cause irritation on the goatee area. Don't want to go over too many passes to get it. But that's going really good. It was really good, actually. I can get that a little bit. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna call that good. So there you go. Anywhere between 4+ months worth of goatee gone. And pretty quickly, no blood, no irritation. Can't beat that. So, anyway, now that I'm clean shaven, I might do a couple more videos. My back has been relatively nice to me lately. Don't know if that's because I've been working from home for a while. And even camping hasn't been too bad. But since I'm now clean shaven, I might be able to do more videos here and there. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Don't want to keep this too long since the main attraction's over. I gotta do my head, but I'll do that off camera. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.